Musa again, trying to get round the back of Arneson. He's in, it's Musa, across goal. Musa, surely! It's the Ahmad Musa show. Just minutes after he hit the crossbar, he's put in a second goal. And Iceland caught flat-footed at the back once again. Arneson couldn't get the challenge in. And Musa makes it 4 goals in 2 World Cup matches. Better from Iceland. Sevasson's continued his run. Good defending, though, by Omaru. Was there a challenge? And the referee's coming across to have a look because there was certainly contact from Omaru. Now, this could be a huge moment for Iceland here if he overturns his decision. Penalty given, so VAR works in Iceland's favour. Oh, he's placed it over. It's been a great game again here in Volgograd, but ultimately Iceland coming up short. Full time it's finished Nigeria 2, Iceland 0.